Hey y'all, it's BK aka Chef BoyarBee, and today we're making a chicken pot pie. Now, most of the recipes that I loosely referenced online called for onion, and I didn't have any onion, so I just replaced that with a bell pepper. You can use onion though if you want, or do it like this. So I just was chopping up the potatoes and carrots. This is what it all came together. I didn't use frozen peas, I just used canned peas, but I'm gonna list everything out here that I use to make the chicken pot pie filling. And I added a cup of flour to like thicken it up some because it was kind of liquidy. This is the consistency you're looking for. So then I just started dicing up the chicken, and yes, I did wash it. I'm gonna put the seasonings I used for the chicken. I didn't measure out my oil. I just, already had the pan on like medium so it could heat up quickly. I am starting compost for the plants that I have, and I just used all the clippings from what I just chopped off. Now I'm just cooking the chicken. I don't really remember how long I cooked it for, but maybe like good 10 to 15 minutes. Noticed that the filling was a little thick with the capital ick. So I added a cup of water to kind of dilute it some. I'm not gonna lie, this pissed me off, but basically I ended up breaking the crock pot. And it's just so crazy because exactly 11 years ago, I broke a crock pot. I had to get surgery on my hand and stitches. So here I'm just pressing the crust more into the pan so it can actually stay. I don't know why the beating of the yolk is so satisfying, but I'm gonna leave that in for y'all. So this is what it looks like. The chicken is done, hun. Ooh, look at that. So make sure you drain your chicken because we already put the cup of water in there. You don't need no extra. Yeah, it's okay. So mixing in the chicken with the rest of the filling. That's what it's looking like. Ooh. And honestly, y'all, I just filled it up to the top. Like, I just filled it up because I had a lot. And I'm covering it up with that other pie crust that I put yolk in. So, yeah. I ended up with a lot of filling left over. So, the next day, I just used, like, some biscuits. Clean as you go. That's the sign of a good cook. Clean as you go. The pot pie has some weight to it, so I just put another pan up under it. But that's what it's looking like with the yolk on top. So now we're gonna bake it for like 30 minutes. And this is what it came out looking like 30 minutes later. I was cooking it at 350, or baking it at 350. And I just turned it off and let it cook some more from the heat for like an additional 10 minutes. And then this is what it's looking like after the 10 minutes have passed. It's pretty crispy and golden. Now it's time to slice. Yo, I was so excited. Like, it looks so good. It came out so good. To be my first pot pie, it came out so good, y'all. Like, look at this bowl right here. Ooh, that filling. Oh, I had to get that little extra too, because I'm not gonna lie, it was looking real good. But this is what it came out to be. So excited, so happy. And here's my honest review of it. It's really good. Oh my goodness. It's really good. It's still really hot, but it's really good. I feel like I had a really good ratio of vegetables. Even though I didn't have any onions. That's why I use bell peppers. Yeah. It's really good. I'm proud of myself. And this is Chef BoyarBee with a chicken pot pie.